Hello, everyone. Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. That's fantastic.
It's very, very good.
We're having some fresh coffee brews today.
Yes. On these empty mugs that will be empty no longer.
Oh yeah.
Pretty soon.
Pretty soon we'll have some Vocal Lab mugs that we're gonna offer for you all to get one yourself if you want. That'll be fun to have.
So just imagine what it's gonna look like here.
Yeah. Beautiful logo letters.
Yep.
We would already had them had I not forgotten to order them.
Listen,
you guys,
you're busy.
I'm the worst. Carlos can tell you this, Shelby can tell you this, anyone who knows me can tell you, I am really, really great at some things. One of those things that I'm not great at is details and tasks. I'm not good with tasks. I'm good at running my trap.
What's the corporate speak for that? It's a growth point.
It's a growth point. It's like I just get so consumed in the day of being with people, around people, and all the things I do that it takes effort and focus, which it does, to sit down and make a task happen. So I drop the ball.
You're a macro guy.
I'm a macro guy.
Yeah.
I'm the big picture. I'm the big kahuna, as I was called in high school.
Yep, it's needed.
It is.
It is needed. It's very important.
But you know
what else is
why are we
important?
talking about this? Oh, what is? Tell us.
Hit that subscribe button.
Gosh, it's my favorite thing. Anytime, I wish, you know, it'd be fun if, it wouldn't be fun, it'd drive me nuts, but it would be fun if like YouTube had a notification, like when someone hit the subscribe, you could get a little on your phone.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that would be really cool. I was gonna say that sometimes on lives you can set it up to where like people subscribing and like, you know.
Yeah,
anyway.
totally.
But what are we doing today?
You know what? We're gonna do some Coke.
We're gonna do some video lines.
We're gonna do some video lines for you from the amazing Coke Studio.
Pakistan.
Ooh, this is Pakistan.
Season 15.
Let's do it. Who we got?
Yeah.
Manu and Aniral Khalid.
Yeah.
I just butchered
JHOL.
those names.
I'm just going to say it's JHOL.
JHOL. I was saying JHOL earlier, but
it might be. I don't know. I don't know. Try it out.
Here we go. Let's make some
JHOL.
Coke Studio.
Every time.
Lesson over again.
I don't know.
That was the most anticlimactic.
There it is.
Coke Studio. I love her voice. Her accent, I mean. Okay. I feel like train stations are always really hot or really cold. There's no perfect temperature at a train station. You notice this? Love that texture in his vocal.
I always bring a microphone to the train station because you never know when opportunity will strike.
Smart thinking on his part. Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah, I love that. Hey.
Man, this track is fire.
Yeah, this is really good.
It just sits in that groove pocket.
Yes.
Right in the J.
We're gonna get demonetized.
We're gonna get some.
You're gonna get us demonetized.
The jokes are just too good. I wonder what that word means. Someone tell us. What does JHOL mean? Wow, her voice right there too. It's just beautiful. No. What? Please go on the train.
Oh.
No. That is not how I wanted that to end.
That's dumb. You should have left the mic.
Yeah. That is a clever catch, Carlos. He should have left the mic.
Leave the mic, bro. Get the girl.
Wow.
He's like, I'm gonna drop the scarf here, and instead I'm gonna go sing another song. I'm gonna go sing another song in the. That's so silly.
Gosh, maybe that's the analogy of my life. I just have always kept the mic.
Kept the mic, left the scarf.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I love that. That is
great.
a vibe. That was,
so
as
cool.
I said, it was all things cool and
like two ships passing each other in the night. I thought that it was just him pining after
trains.
her. Yeah, or trains. Yeah, there you go. I thought it was.
Didn't grab the literal and went to.
I went to a ship. Yeah, what's wrong with me?
No, those were trains, Carlos.
Yeah, trains. But you think he's pining after her?
Puerto Rico?
There used to be like one big one, but yeah, not really. There's a lot of mountains out there, so
yeah,
it's
right.
kinda,
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They never built it through. Like they'd have to do it like they do in other countries.
And it's not that far to drive across the country, right?
No, it's like 2.5 hours.
Yeah, so you don't really need a train.
You don't need it, but it would be nice to like get there fast. But no, anyway. So you think he's pining after her, but then she's also pining after him, from what we read in the subtitles.
Called a double pine.
Yeah, double pine. Yeah, two pine, two furious. Yeah. But anyway, the vocals are immaculate. Man, Coke Studio, they're so good.
I would really love to do. This would be something fun. I don't know how if we could ever do this, but I don't know. If you all know, let us know. This is a good question to you all. It would be cool to have someone from Coke Studio on the podcast to get the behind the scenes. How does Coke Studio really work?
Yeah.
And there's probably stuff on YouTube. I don't know. I haven't researched that. I'm just saying I would like personally to interview someone from Coke Studio on the podcast. Yeah. Because I love it so much.
I think
it's so good.
Yeah, and I think they listened to us because the Coke branding was kept down to a minimum.
Oh,
that's
right.
always our complaint.
You know what?
Too much. Yeah, it was like super vibey. It was like it kept me just in the story the whole time.
That is actually a really great point.
And so that's why we say that, not because we hate Coke or the branding. We understand that product placement is super necessary, but however, it's when you keep it subdued, then we just get sucked into the story.
Yeah, totally. And that's what needs to happen.
It could have been a Coke scarf, but we didn't even see the Coke logo. And we know that it's Coke Studio because we keep talking about Coke Studio. It's Coke. We get it. It's
and
Coke.
The branding works because we just said Coke
a gajillion times. Yeah. So anyway, love it. Coke. Love it. Send us more. Send us more.
Send us more of these. This was great.
Yep.
And I guess the moral of that story is I'm not going to say it. I think we'd get banned if I said what I was thinking I was going to say. Yeah. I used to live in LA, guys. I saw a lot of crazy stuff. Hey, Carlos, this has been real fun.
Yep, sure has.
I am Jason Control.
Yeah, and I am Carlos Santiago.
And we are
Vocal Lab
Collective.